Xiaomi Civi 3 launch set for May 25th, teased to get 4 color options, 50-megapixel rear camera. Xiaomi Civi 3 will be equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC. Xiaomi Civi 3 launch will take place in China on Thursday, May 25th, the company has announced. The new Civi series smartphone will be a successor to Xiaomi Civi 2, that was launched in September last year. The Xiaomi Civi 3 is teased to come with a dual-tone design with a circular-shaped rear camera module. It is confirmed to be available in adventure gold, coconut gray, mint green, and rose purple color options. The Xiaomi Civi 3 will have a triple rear camera setup that comprises a 50-megapixel main camera. The handset will run on MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC as well. Xiaomi shared multiple teaser images on Weibo to announce the launch date of Xiaomi Civi 3. The event is scheduled for 2 p.m. local time, 11:30 a.m. IST, in China on May 25th. As mentioned, the teasers show off Xiaomi Civi 3 in 4 distinct color options: adventure gold, coconut gray, mint green, and rose purple, developed jointly with WGSN. The posters suggest a triple rear camera unit, led by a 50-megapixel main camera on the handset with support for optical image stabilization, OIS. It is shown with a dual-tone design and a circular camera module as well. Xiaomi also confirmed that the Xiaomi Civi 3 will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC. Other details about the handset are yet to be revealed. As per a previous leak, Xiaomi Civi 3 will feature a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It is said to pack 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of onboard storage. The handset is tipped to include two 32-megapixel front-facing cameras with a 100-degree field of view. It could pack a 4,500 mAh battery with support for 67W fast charging. The Xiaomi Civi 2 was launched in China in September last year with a starting price of 2,399 Chinese yuan, roughly 27,000 rupees, for the 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage model. It has not been launched outside China.